Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that after making a low of double 32928, gold is trying to recover again. While recording the video, gold is trading around 334546. This is the current market price. And gold has been really crazy because yesterday when we were discussing about gold was bullish. Okay, this was the trend of gold. We were looking at a 15 minutes time frame. Okay, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and we were discussing about the confusion on the chart of gold, but we also discussed that the structure of the market was bullish. Okay, because gold was forming higher highs and higher lows. And during the European session, okay, things changed drastically. Okay, there was selling pressure on the chart of gold. Trend of the market, structure of the market changed. And during the US session, we saw further selling pressure. Means in the morning, gold was bullish. In the afternoon and evening, gold was bearish. Okay, and today we can see that gold is bullish again. So, okay, it is very hard or confusing right now. Okay, in which direction gold is going. Okay, so okay, be careful. And today is Friday. During the US session, obviously there will be some profit booking. Okay, if you fail to find any logic, अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, okay, just do not trade. Okay, just okay, take a risk because it's better to take a risk than to lose money. Okay. And obviously, okay, we do not have any clarity regarding the direction of gold right now. You can see every session the trend of the market is changing. And if you look at the daily chart, means the higher time frame, the reliable one, okay, the higher time frame is also okay confused because we can see overall the trend is bullish but for the last couple of weeks gold is sideways. Means overall trend is sideways. Means number of buyers and sellers are almost equal in number. Yesterday it was bullish and bearish at the same time, and today we can see market is getting bullish again. Okay, and little bit of confusion. So let's plan our trades accordingly. And before I proceed, okay, I would like to make a honest confession that whatever okay we are about to discuss okay are not very solid levels. Sometimes we have very good levels on the chart, major levels, but today on the chart of gold we do not have any major levels. Okay, so let's try to understand them one by one. So right now we can see that there is a structural change again because gold has crossed the previous high. So after 1 or 2 hours when market will be coming down, observe the market around this area around 334041. okay, we can expect the market to take support. Why? Because the previous resistance will become the new support. If things remain like this, means we do not have crazy volume right now. If things remain like this, we can expect 334041 to act as the new support. If it takes support, if you see market is taking support, market is showing price rejection from below, you can hit the buy button. Okay, and if market goes up like this, okay, as a day trader, okay, swing traders, okay, I don't have anything to say right now because you can clearly see gold is crazy, no direction. As a swing trader, at least you need good swings in the market, or at least you need a trend. Okay, right now we don't have anything. So for day traders, okay, you can also observe the market around 3353 area. I'm just saying the number 3353. It can be 3352, it can be 3354 also. It's a zone. So once market will enter 50-51 area, observe the market. Okay, the previous support should work as resistance here. If you see market is showing price rejection from above, as a day trader you can hit the sell button. You can expect a target of 50 to 60 pips initially. If you see further potential, you can go with the sell. Otherwise 50 to 60 pips in a in a market like this is decent enough. Okay, then we also have a selling opportunity around 3357. okay, this is another selling opportunity because the market started falling from this particular area. So 50 to 57, okay, this is a resistance zone, you can say. So whenever you'll see selling opportunity or price rejection from above on the lower time frame, you can go for it. Okay, and your stop loss should be above 57. Okay, then you can also look for a selling opportunity around 3365. So 3365 is also a good level to sell because market started falling. It should act as a resistance. 3363 6364 64 say like 65 66. Okay, this is a resistance zone. So we have seen that. Okay, earlier, not earlier. Okay, we have seen price action and all. Okay, but along with that, you can see we also have Fibonacci as well. For example, around 336564 area, we also have Fibo 78.6% retracement level and resistance. Around 3357 area, 5756 area, not only we have resistance but also Fibo 61.8% retracement level. So if we combine price action with Fibonacci, these levels seems to be good ones where we can look for some trading opportunities. Otherwise, this is a chart that as a trader you should avoid completely, isn't it? Especially beginners. Okay, you must be confused, right? And in case the trend of the market changes again, because nothing new for gold, okay, and this is quite common for gold. If you see that there is a sudden selling pressure during the US session, obviously you can look for a sell below 3328 or 29. When market will break the blue line here, you can look for a sell opportunity below this area. Okay, but be careful. Okay, we have seen that after 50-60 pips market price to recover. So if you go for a sell below 3328, keep your target around 22-23. If you see market showing further potential, then only go for it. Otherwise, just exit at 50-60 pips. Because in a market like this, okay, 50-60 pips is also decent enough. Okay. And again repeating, okay, whatever I have discussed, okay, are not very major levels. Okay, and today is Friday. Profit booking may come during the US session, so please be careful. If you see that the levels are not working at all, okay, then okay, just go with the flow or just don't trade. Okay, because as a trader, okay, you don't need to trade during each and every session. A trader should only trade when the opportunity is right, because we are traders, not gamblers. Don't be addicted. And if you're looking for a reliable forex trading platform or account, okay, you can open your account with Vantage. You can see that Vantage is a global brand. Okay, it's also an official partner of Ferrari. So if you are looking for a reliable forex trading platform, okay, with low spread and swap free account, you can consider opening account with Vantage. Okay, because your hard-earned money deserves the best platform. You will find the link in the description. If you open your account through our referral, okay, you also get access to our WhatsApp community where you get regular market updates, analysis, and many more. Okay, and one more advantage is that, okay, so if you face any issue, okay, with the broker or the platform, okay, we will be able to help you directly if your account is under us. So feel free to join Vantage from our referral link if you want a broker. Okay, the link will be in the description.